Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Jackson Garage. Today I'm going to put the front suspension on the mule. Stay tuned, it's going to be thrilling. The new home of Jackson Garage. It's behind the other Jackson Garage, the older Jackson. Stupid threads. Would you look at this? Wonderful. The front legs are on the mule. Looking pretty great. Quite stable. So now I'm going to put the wheel on, or both wheels, front wheels on, and then I can move it around, and then we can get to manufacturing the back set of legs. Sweet. Have 7 wheel bolts, so I'll put 3 in each of the fronts and have to figure out what I do with the backs, but we've still got a long way to go. Let's get cracking. need to decide on how to attach this back bracket which goes onto the gearbox. So this bracket maybe can bolt under there, get welded to there, and then this whole thing can get bolted to there, and then the gearbox can bolt onto the back of this thing. That is for next time. The front suspension is on the mule. The high heels are back on. Great stuff. I hope you have enjoyed this. Like, subscribe, all of those things. Thanks for joining me on the Jackson Estate. Thanks for all the love and support for the channel. I hope you guys are enjoying this build series. I've got a few more projects lined up for the estate, so stay tuned. Click your notification bell. I don't know. Keep up to date. Cool. Cheers.